Hello everybody, my name is Dave. I'm a solutions engineer here at Eru, and today I'm going to show you how you can quickly configure the Wi-Fi library item within your Eru tenant. So let's get started. Now, you'd want to use a Wi-Fi library item if you want to control how your managed endpoints are able to connect to known wireless networks in your org. And to get started while we're sitting here in the library is adding a new library item here at the top, searching for the Wi-Fi profile, selecting it, and hitting Add and Configure. And now that we're sitting here in the profile, we're going to give it a name. In this example, I'm working on a London office Wi-Fi profile. Choose the operating system that you want this profile installed on, and we only want this installed on our Apple devices, for instance. Choose the blueprint or blueprints that you want this assigned to, which is us assigning to the devices a part of that blueprint. And then next we get into our first required field, which is entering the SSID of the network. Now the SSID is just the known Wi-Fi network name, so I'll throw that in here. And then next you have three configurations you could take advantage of. First of which I'm going to leave checkmark, that's auto join network, makes it a lot easier for end users to connect their devices seamlessly. Furthermore, you can designate this network as a hidden network, and you can disable MAC address randomization if your organization has those requirements. Further along the profile here, you can enable or disable IPv6 as well as disable captive network detection. And close to last but not least, authentication type. This is where you can choose the authentication type of your wireless network, whether it be a enterprise level network or a standard password protected one. You choose what is important to your organization and you can finish out the configuration. I'll choose WPA3 personal for now. I'll enter the known password. And then you have two additional settings that you could take advantage of. First of which being proxy. This is where you can quickly configure your proxy settings, as well as configure fast lane marking, and easily configurable with these drop downs here. After you have these settings completed according to your specifications and you've assigned this to a blueprint, you can hit save and start scoping this out in your assignment map, which we'll take a look at right now. So heading on over to blueprints, and you can see where our Wi-Fi London profile is. And it looks like we're scoping this out. If the user is a part of the London group from the IDP, then they are getting this Wi-Fi London profile, making it a lot easier for those users in the London office to connect their devices seamlessly. No need to reach out to IT for a Wi-Fi password. And if you have any additional questions regarding the Wi-Fi library item or other library items, please refer to our official Eru documentation, and I'll see you next time.